Hello friends, today we are going to discuss the topic of Rule 42 under the CGST Rules 2017. First of all, we are required to understand why this rule is coming in the GST. Let's take an example we understand clear. Suppose I am a businessman and I supply the goods taxable as well as exempt, and I have a ITC which usually use both for supply of taxable as well as exempt supply. And as per rule 16, we are claim ITC only which we are using for taxable supply, not exempt या non business purpose. But our business have a common ITC and which are using both taxable and exempt supplies. Then Rule 42 is coming in the Act and give the method how we apportion the amount which are using for exempt supply and amount which are using for taxable supply. So we understand by one another example how to use Rule 42. Suppose I have a 100 rupees ITC, total ITC is 100 rupees, and 10 rupees out of 100, 10 rupees is ITC related to exempt supply, 5 rupees ITC related to non-business purpose, and 5 rupees ITC related to 17 subsection 5. Then I have remaining ITCs 80. And that 80 rupees ITC I credit to electronic credit ledger. Okay. And I have 50 rupees ITC related to use only for taxable supply. Out of 80 minus 50, I have 30 rupees ITC which we are using both taxable supply as well as exempt supply. This is called common credit. And suppose I have a turnover, total turnover 10,000 and exempted turnover is 2,000. I have a common ITC is 30,000. Then we have required to bifurcate the amount which are using only for exempt supply. How I bifurcate? What is my turnover? Exempt turnover divided by total turnover multiplied by common ITC. Means 30,000. Means 2,000 divided by 10,000 multiplied by 13,000. Suppose I go to the X amount and this X amount I have required to reverse in GSTR 3B, required to pay by DRC 03. And second, suppose I use the credit of ITs related to business purpose and also non-business purpose. Then I have required to reverse 5% of a common credit. Means 30,000 multiplied by 5%. So I got it the amount Y. Then this amount also reverse in GSTR 3B, paid by DRC 03. And that remaining amount which I got it 30,000 minus X minus Y. This is my eligible credit and we already claim in electronic credit ledger. In conclude, yes, if I have a business and where I use both taxable and as well as exempt supply, and I have also ITC which I using both supply taxable as well as exempt, then I have required to I comply the rule 42. Thank you very much.